Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to expand this one. So we have negative x squared multiplied by first derivative of y and negative y squared with first derivative of y. So we can do about factorization of this one. We have s and first derivative of y. We can do about factorize in here. We do similar for this one. And we have y now we do another factorization in here and here. Now we will have two equations. The first one equal to number 0 and the second one equal to number 0. Now I will go to the first one. So I will put negative s go to the right. This one we change dy over dx. So we put the s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have y squared over 2. This one we have s squared over 2. And we put about c. Now let's go to the second one. So we put y go to here. This one we change dy over dx. So y we put on the left, dx and s we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y. Similar for this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.